Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Palak. I'm studying in standard 8th. So, in our chemistry chapter is there, the language of chemistry, and in it we have to balance equations and we have to also find valencies, etc. Earlier, I was really very much frustrated by it, and I was very upset as I couldn't do it. My friends also, many of my friends were also unhappy. So I viewed many YouTube videos, I searched many things, I uh, tried to understand it very well, and now I have clearly understand understood it. And now, to solve my other friends' problem, I am making this video to explain them. Firstly, how to find valency. I hope you will enjoy it, and if you enjoy it, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So, firstly, how to find first you take out a page and write the name of all elements 1 to 20 on that. To save time, I have already written hydrogen. Then now I'm saying elements name 1 to 20 in sequence. You have to write hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, potassium. After writing that, there are shells, means shells that are revolving around element an element that are known as shells. So basically 4 shells are there: K, L, M and N. Okay, then the maximum number of digits that can be there in K shell are 2, in M shell 8, in N shell 8, and in L shell also 8. Okay, then it's totally based on the atomic elements. So I have not written numbers yet. I'm just going to write it now. I have not written due to some purpose. Okay. So guys, I have written all the numbers now, atomic numbers. So this valencies and the means how to valency. This is this. So let's see now. What is the atomic number of hydrogen? 1. So maximum number of shells would be 1 only. We will write 1 here. Then next, the atomic number of helium is 2. Maximum 2 can only come. 2. Now atomic number of lithium is 3. But here only 2 can come. So we will write 2 here and 1 in L shell. Means 8 out of 8 1 can come, because 1 is smaller than 8. Maximum of 8 can come now. Then in the same way we'll do now. Beryllium 2, 2, 4. Now 2 will be there in all the elements further on. Okay. Here I am writing 2. Okay. Now 2, 1, 3 of lithium, 2, 2, 4 of boron, 5 सॉरी वो बेरिलियम का था 4. Now 5 of boron, 4 of carbon, then 2, 5, 7 for nitrogen, 2, 6, 8 for oxygen, 2, 7, 9 for fluorine, and 2, 8, 10 for neon. Okay, so this we have written. थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा हो गया, मैं ठीक कर देती हूँ. इधर ये then this is there. Okay, then the maximum of 8 has come to 10. Okay, maximum has come. Now sodium has number 11. How can we make 11 then? Because 9 cannot come here, because maximum of 8 is there na? As maximum of 8, then 9 cannot come. So simple, we'll write 8 here, then it would be 2, 8, 10 and 1 here. 1 will be 1. So now it's 10, 11. Now in 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. 2, 8, 10, 8, 18. M has maximum molecule, sorry, numbers. So write 9 here. So 2, 8, 10 and 18 and 17, 1 here. Okay. And here 10, 8, 18 to 20. So this is, now we have the next is the final valency. Here 1 is there, 1 will be here. Okay. Then next here 2. Now one more thing, the most important. I am going to tell you here. Helium, argon and neon. Okay, 2, 18 and 10 means it's their atomic number. They are noble gases. They are all noble gases. They are means they do not react. Don't react. Okay, so they do not means in any reaction they can, means they do not react with other, like hydrogen reacts with oxygen to form water. That is in some way you cannot find neon, argon and helium anywhere. Other noble gases are also there, but up to 20 means atomic numbers, elements up to 20, they are only discussed. So the basic means the thing I want to tell in this was that they have valency 0. You no need to do anything else, simply they have valency 0. Okay, any noble gas, they have valency 0 because they are monoatomic as well as monovalent. So, and the other way of knowing noble gases is like it is having the maximum number of digits in the same shell, like K maximum of, and here 2 is there and no set is followed in the another shell. Okay, I am explaining in Hindi. जैसे हीलियम है या फिर कोई और नोबल गैस है, उसको पता करना है भाई वो नोबल गैस है, तो कैसे करेंगे? जैसे के है, के एक शेल है, KLMN कोई भी शेल है, उसमें जैसे उसका जो मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ डिजिट, सबसे ज़्यादा डिजिट जो चाहिए होते हैं वो हमें पता है. जैसे के का 2 है, एल का 8 है, एम का 8 है, एन का भी 8 है. तो अगर जैसे उस एलिमेंट किसी भी एलिमेंट के पास मैक्सिमम नंबर डिजिट्स हैं, सबसे ज़्यादा डिजिट हैं उसी शेल में, तो फिर वहाँ पे जैसे इसके 2, इसके पास 2 है लेकिन 2 तो बाकियों में भी है, तो इसमें ये डिफरेंट कैसे है बाकियों से कि इसमें वैलेंसी इसमें सिर्फ 2 इधर ही होगा, 1 नहीं होगा, या कुछ और नंबर किसी भी और शेल में कुछ भी इसका रिलेशन नहीं होगा इसका. इसका बस जिस शेल से होगा उस शेल में कंप्लीट होगा। मतलब ऐसे भी है, बाकियों से भी हो सकता है, लेकिन जिस शेल में इसका मैक्सिमम नंबर हो एंड अगले वाले में ना हो, डैट इज़ नोबल गैस। जैसे इसमें 1 है, 2 है, लेकिन यहाँ पे 8 आ गया 8 मैक्सिमम हो गया। अब 8 एल का मैक्सिमम हो गया, 8 तो बाकियों में भी है, लेकिन 8 इसमें है, इसके बाद उसमें किसी और शेल में तो इसके नहीं है ना, ना एम में है ना एन में है। हाँ, पहले वाले का कोई बात, बट आगे 8 के बाद क्या है, इसमें कोई भी एलिमेंट नहीं, मतलब कोई भी नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स इसमें नहीं है ना आगे, ना ही कुछ आगे 1 है ना कुछ और है। मीन्स मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स हैं इसके एलिमेंट के, या और आगे से फॉलोड नहीं है। तो ये भी फिर क्या है, नोबल गैस। एंड अगर हम देखें तो ये कौन सा है, नियॉन। आगे आर्गन का देखते हैं। आर्गन के भी 8 क्या होते हैं, मैक्सिमम होते हैं एम, एंड 8 इसके पास है। आगे भी कोई शेल में कुछ नहीं है। जब आगे ही कुछ नहीं है, देन इट इज़ a normal gas, and simply we'll write 0 in the case of noble gases. Okay, then valency, हाँ, valency 0 1 2 3 4 3 2 0 में होती है। मतलब 1 से शुरू होती है, फिर जाती है, तो कम होती जाती है, डिक्रीज जाती है, फाइनल किस पे, 0 पे। ठीक है, मीन्स फॉलो इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर, ओके, एंड स्टेप्स डाउन टू डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर, एंड फाइनली इट ends up at 0. Okay, so just do remember this 0. Okay. So वहाँ पे end up आती है। Okay, I have told now in Hindi. Now next, sorry I paused my video due to some purpose, but now I am again back, and as I was saying that firstly valencies follows an increasing order, then decreasing order, and then finally ends up at 0. So without delaying more and without wasting more time, let's start. 1 0, then here what is the 1 1. Okay, camera is not 1 here, wait, here 2, here 3 4. Now 5 cannot come as valency's number, आगे 3 है, तो 5 की जगह पे क्या होगा, 3 के 3, फिर 6 की जगह पे 2, फिर यहाँ पे 8 की जगह पे 1, सॉरी 7 की जगह, and the next it's 10, neon. We know that 0. Then next we know that it's 0 of neon. Then again the same step, 1 2 3 4 3 2 1 0 1 2. Now you must have noticed one thing, it goes 1 0 1 2 3 4, and then it decreases 3 2 1 0, you know, then again starts 1 2 3 4, then it again decreases 3 4 3 2 1 0, then again starts 1 2. Means it's following increasing order, then decreasing order, and then finally ends up. Sorry, I have marked so much in explaining you, but it's important, that is why. So now one more thing, the way they are increasing, it's having plus sign, increasing, so plus, but 0 is neutral. We all know that 0 is neutral. means 0 is not positive, not negative. Okay, so we'll just mark positive signs in increasing order. 1, this 1 2 3 4, then it's now decreasing 3 2 1 0, again increasing 1 2 3 4, then decreasing 3 4 3 2 1 0. 0 is neutral now, plus 1 plus 2. Okay, so ions are there na? Ions, you know, maybe you know or not. Radicals are there, radicals or ions, है ना, they are having a positive and a negative charge. So means what type of charge is there is known by their valency, or in which way it's there, in increasing order or in decreasing order. So sorry guys, I have not thought of time. It's 16 minutes. Sorry, it's too long, but uh, I was engrossed in teaching, so it took some time. But I hope you all have understood, and thank you so much for watching my video. And this is my first video, so I am not experienced much for it, so sorry for my mistakes, not in the video but like camera etc. Sorry for that. And if it's not clear, then sorry. And you must comment whatever you think about this video in the comment section. It's wholeheartedly yours. And sorry, and I will not take more time. Thank you.